All right, so Zach the Plug, he came back and he brought us some stuff to look at real quick. We got the fives that just came out. You guys already know what these look like. Definitely different in hand than I was expecting. I was expecting a full suede, but as you can see there, it's a textile with some sort of print. You got some suede on the front and all that, but you know, very nice looking. No reflective. That's definitely an embroidered Jumpman on the front. Very clean looking, man. Icy outsole as usual. And I do like how the box came. They kind of tied all this together, but that's very denim-like. That's like a denim type of color on there. You got the graphite printed box with a Jordan Jumpman on the front. Real nice. Yup. And what do we have here? We got them Royals joints that everybody don't like. I don't know why. The Royals is fire to me. Let me check these out real quick. Okay. Ooh, the Royal ones. Now, I'm definitely feeling the color on these. Although I know that, you know, the suede's going to get ashy. It's going to get dirty. You got to spray these down. Keep these in good shape. But damn. And once again, quality control. If you're getting your pairs, make sure you guys are doing quality checks on these. Because you know how suede is, man. There could be a lot of defects and all that. But yeah. Blue outsole, very nice. Now I would cop these, but you already know I got too many Royal colorways, man. So I can't even be, I can't be getting no more Royals, boy. I'm gonna wait for the leathers to come back out. So we'll see how those goes. Yeah. All right. So that's that pair. And the last pair we got are the fives that came. So we got these fives here. Let me just organize and situate myself real quick. So we got the fives in a flight box, right? Or sorry, these are the fours. Flights. These are the 4 olives, man. These just came. Might gotta get these and do a much more in-close review. Now these are actually a good quality, man. I wasn't expecting that. Not bad in hand. High leather, high suede, mixed with leather panel at the mid portion. Very nice. That's like a cream. It's like a buttercream outsole. Flight logo on the front. Very militant. That mudguard gonna get dirty quick though, but other than that, the shoe is fire still. Half black on the outsole. The amount of suede on the shoe is incredible. And for you guys who know the 4s, it's hard to wear these long term because this plastic piece be chopping you in the back of the foot. But I do like these. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. I might. What do you guys think? I should do these on a longer form review? Because I do like them. Very nice. Box is actually pretty sturdy. But yeah, man, those are 3 of the newest releases that we got here. Thanks to my man Zach at Footlocker for giving us the one-up on these, letting us check these out. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to wrap these back up. And I don't know, I got to make a decision if I want any of these, man, because it is what it is. But we're going to check out some more stuff in the store and see what we got. You know what I mean?